Hey everybody, it's Ty with Traveling Wild, and today we are hiking Corona Arch in Moab, Utah. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the hike that leads to Bowtie and Corona Arches. Just so you know, these arches are not in the Arches National Park, so it's not going to cost you any money to get in. By the way, it's just a coincidence that we're hiking Corona Arch during the coronavirus pandemic. Because Arches National Park is closed right now, this hike was our best option. That being said, this is actually one of my favorite arch hikes in Moab for many reasons. Number one, Corona Arch. It's a huge 105-foot high Navajo Sandstone arch with an opening that measures 140 feet wide. Number two, the hike is easy. It's only about 3 miles and your elevation gain is only about 250 feet. You should be able to complete this hike in about 2 hours. As an added bonus, you can bring your pup. Although, if you do, please bring a bag for poop. Number 3, the railroad tracks. Talk about the perfect spot to get a unique and awesome selfie. Number 4, you'll get a great view of Bootlegger Canyon. Honestly, it's not that spectacular, but the name is cool. Number 5, the hike is picturesque. There are multiple locations to get awesome photographs. Number 6, usually the crowds are minimal as most people prefer to see the famous Delicate Arch in Arches National Park. Number 7, you're close to Dinosaur Tracks and ancient pictographs. If you watch to the end, I'll show you how easy it is to find them and you won't be disappointed because they are amazing. It's a quick, fun activity to do after the hike. Okay, before we get to the hike, don't forget to bring sunscreen and plenty of water, especially if you're doing this hike during the summer. If you're doing any of these hikes here in Moab during the summer, you want to get an early start as well because it is hot and often there's not a lot of shade. I should also warn you that there's some pretty steep drop-offs during this hike, so if you're hiking with the kiddos, you want to keep a close eye on them. Okay, then you will come to these train tracks. Stop, look, listen. You walk around the barbed wire right here. And this is your awesome view. Pretty cool, huh? And then you just cross the tracks and continue your journey. Okay, so we made it to Corona Arch. This is kind of a cool location because you got one arch right here. And if I spin around like this, you can see the awesome Corona Arch right here behind me. Okay, so as you can see behind me, we finally made it to the magnificent Corona Arch. I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you a panoramic view. Okay, now as promised, I'll tell you how to find dinosaur tracks. On your way to the Corona Arch hike, you'll see a sign that says Dino Tracks. You'll just veer off the main road up a dirt hill. And it's a super short hike to both dinosaur tracks and petroglyphs. Archaeologists believe that some of the artwork is as old as 6,000 BC, and it's surprising that the artwork is in such amazing condition. It really was exciting to see. Also, as you're driving towards the hike, you'll have a river to the left and a sheer cliff wall to the right. You'll see a sign that says petroglyphs. Just pull off to the side of the road and look up about 10, maybe 15 feet. You'll be shocked to see they're just right there in front of your eyes. You don't even need to hike to them. I'm pretty sure the prehistoric Native Americans played basketball too. I'll show you a picture I took along with some others. Just let me know what you think. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear from you. Please type your remarks below. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell below to be notified each time I post new hiking and travel videos. Thank you and safe travels.